College, Winston-Salem, North Carolina. Today I'm going to show you how to create a homemade watercolor. We are going to create carmine using the cochineal insects. To make cochineal watercolors, you will need cochineal pigment powder, gum arabic, which serves as a binder, a glass molar, a thick piece of glass, painting knives, half pounds containers, and a box for storage. So the process is very simple. Just place some of the pigment on the piece of glass, add some drops of gum arabic. First we mix it with the painting knives. Once the pigment and the gum arabic have blended, we are going to use the glass molar and try to keep binding it till the pigment becomes very smooth. The more you work, the better quality of the watercolor. I think a watercolor painting is ready when it has a smooth texture. At that point, it is time to fill the half pans and let them sit for at least 24 hours, or when you see that they are completely dry. Now the most exciting part, testing your handmade watercolor. So dip your brush into water and load it with the cochineal paint. You will see how beautifully this natural pigment flows on the paper, creating deep and vibrant reds. Using cochineal pigment is a way to connect with history and nature while creating your own unique colors. Whether you are making art or exploring the craft of paint making, this beautiful red will surely inspire you. See you next time!